5 Luo words, of which 3 are the same word. So they just have, it's the same word, but it has different meanings. So if you're joining us today, you're joining wherever you're joining from, welcome. And glad to see you. This is day number 43. And we are just going to talk about 5 words, of which 3 of them are the same word but different meanings. So if you're joining us, welcome, karibu sana. And the reason I'm doing this live stream is so that if you have questions, you can always post on the comment section, and then I will always get back to you with a good answer. So if you have questions, we are going to do 5 Luo words a day for day number 43. So where are the words? Now these are the words. The first one is Amadhchack. Amadhchack. Then the second one is Amara. So Amara, there is 3 of them. And then Amboro. Amboro. So let's go. The first one is Amadhchack. What's Amadhchack? There are 2 meanings of Amadhchack. The first meaning is that it's a small bush with a milk-like sap, like the one I've just given the picture here. I see this one, we call it chamama. But I'm hoping that Amara would look like this, a small bush that if you break the leaves, you'll see the sap. The sap is milky. It's milky white like the one I have here. Then Amadhchack is also a type of green snake which lives in the Amadhchack bush. So there's a snake that lives in this type of bush. It's also called Amadhchack. That's our word of the day. Number 2 is Amara. And here you use it as an adjective. When you say someone is Amara, it means they are slick or they are smooth talking. So in an example as I've given here, you can say, En kod kido mar Amara seche ma osero nyako. En kod kido mar Amara seche ma osero nyako. So that's when you're flirting and you're a smooth talker. We can say that that is Amara. Then our third one, if you're joining the stream, please click the like or share the stream with your friends, just so that they know that we do this almost every day. Let me remove myself from the picture. There you go. The third one is Amara. In this time, it is dried potatoes, poreros. Potatoes. In a sentence, I can say, and this is a noun now, adwa riwo Amara kod omwogo mondo ated godo nyuka. Adwa riwo Amara kod omwogo mondo ated godo nyuka. So I want to mix dried cassava potatoes, with cassavas to make grits. The nyuka is grits. Thank you for liking the channel. Kennedy Morris, thank you so much. The fourth one is Ambewa or Ombewa. Ambewa or Ombewa. So what does Ambewa mean? So you might have heard of Mbewa. An anchor plate from the rooftop of the house, and from the rooftop to the house, that's an anchor plate. And in a sentence you can say kulundeng otucho ambewa onyalo lwar. Kulundeng otucho ambewa. Morina Mari, thank you very much. Kulundeng otucho ambewa onyalo lwar. So that means that the beetle has poked some holes on the anchor plate and it might collapse. That is what you call ambewa. Some people say ombewa. Now the last word of the day today is Amboro. Amboro. So Amboro, let me see where I can put my head before I click on that. There you go. So Amboro is a deadly snake, and it's long and brownish, like the one I'm putting on the picture here. Amboro, a deadly snake that is long and brownish. In a sentence, you can say, Thuol mar Amboro ne okayo tiende ma oloke rang'ol. Thuol mar Amboro ne okayo tiende ma oloke rang'ol. So the deadly snake bit his leg, and now he's crippled. So I hope that these 5 words have given you encouragement to keep learning. Those who are learning Luo language, please send us feedback on questions and comments. And thank you so much for those who have already commented or those who've given us some feedback on what we've been doing so far. Remember, this is day number 43. Oops. This is day number 43. So if you go back in time to day number 1, there is a playlist in our YouTube channel. Then it means if you can go through all the 43 videos, then you shall be talking about 200 and 20 words. So imagine learning 220 Luo words: spelling, sentence, picture, pronunciation, and everything else. So please start learning today. Just go into our Luo English Dictionary YouTube channel, get to the playlist called 5 Luo Words a Day, and start learning your Luo today. You will not regret any bit of it. Otherwise, we have gone for 7 minutes, and if there is no question, we shall end in the next 30 seconds. Before we end, I'll just go through it again. So Amadhchack is the first one. The second one is Amara. That is a sleek person. The third one is Amara, which is dried potatoes. Amara. The fourth one is Ambewa or Ombewa, which is an anchor plate. And the last one that we talked about is Amboro, which is a snake. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and please share it with your friends so that they can also join the channel. Every view counts and every like counts towards making this channel a great place to be. Otherwise, thank you so very much, and I will see you tomorrow on day number 44. Oriti, goodbye. Ooh, I got one more like. Anne, thank you for liking the stream. Oh, Anne. Erokamano. One more like before we go. Any like before we go? Let's click the like button before we leave. One more like. Oriti, everybody, goodbye. Thank you for staying with me. Now I have 7 views.